Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're gonna talk about the future continuous tense. Look at the example. This is Mrs. Noor. Every day, she bathes her baby at 6 o'clock in the morning. So, if we visit her at 6 o'clock in the morning, she will be bathing her baby. The next example. This is mother. Look, she's nursing the baby right now. She always nurses her baby at these hours. Tomorrow, she will be nursing the baby too at these hours. The next example. This is Harry. He enjoys watching TV and spends the whole morning in front of it. So, if you visit him at 10 o'clock in the morning, he will be watching TV. These sentences are in the future continuous tense. The future continuous tense is used to express an action that will be happening at a particular moment in the future. We can also use the future continuous tense to show an action that will be in progress when another action happens in the future. Look at these sentences. They have the same pattern. The first one is subject, followed by will be, and verb ing. Now, let's practice. Can you make a sentence in the future continuous tense based on this picture? The family have their dinner at 7 p.m. Tonight, Teacher Aida will visit them at 7 p.m. Now, type your sentence in the comment section. And that's the end of our lesson today. Inshallah, I'll see you again next week. Assalamualaikum.